Right, okay, we're looking at two simultaneous equations again, and once again we've got x's and y's in there, but they look a little bit different this time. We've got what's known as a linear equation here, and we've got a quadratic here. Now, what do you notice that's similar about both of these? Well, they're both equal to y. So if they're both y equals something, the easiest thing to do here is actually to make one equal to the other. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've got x squared minus 6x plus 9, and I'm going to make that equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, because they're both y equals, I can do that, and I shouldn't go wrong as long as I don't make any silly errors when I'm balancing it up. Now, we've got a quadratic. We've done how to solve quadratics by factorising, but in order to factorise, you need it to be equal to 0. So I need to get all of that stuff over to the other side. Now, the x squared is not going to be affected. If I take 3x over to the other side, it becomes minus 3x. I've already got minus 6x over there, so I should have minus 9x in total. I've got plus 9 over there. If I take that over to the other side, it becomes minus 9. Minus 1, sorry. So plus 9 minus 1, I should say, is 8. And I've got nothing now left over there. Now, I've got two brackets because it's a quadratic, and I've got x and x. Both the signs have got to be the same because it's a plus there, and that's a minus. They're both minuses. I need two numbers that multiply to make 8, add to make minus 9. Well, minus 8 and 1. So I've got x equals, minus 8 and minus 1, I should say. And then in order to get our answers, we get x is 8 and 1. Now, I've got two potential answers here for my y as well, because I've got two answers for x. Y is going to have two answers too, so make sure you do both. So when x is 8, 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1, 25 gives me y, so that should be 25. And when x is 1, 3 times 1 is 3, add 1 is 4, that equals y. So when x is 8, y is 25. When x is 1, y is 4.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.